you realised about positions when you heard people playing better than you were, or something like that, paraphrasing a little bit. So I just kind of wondered where your head was with that, in terms of how did you deem it better?
It was a particular blues thing. I was listening to somebody playing some blues, and I couldn't make it sound bluesy. It sounded very straight and boring to me. And then when I figured, okay, so I need to, rather than playing in C, I need to play in G on the C harmonica. I had no idea that was possible. Although I'd come from the trumpet, so you can play in any key on the trumpet, so I should have realised that's possible. It's possible on all instruments. So then when I started playing in G, it sounded more bluesy.
Right.
Now I know why, but it just did. I didn't know why at the time. It just seemed to work better. And then I could play everything that was on the record that I was listening to. And it all worked, and it all clicked into place, and it all sounded quite good.
Gotcha.
Whereas before it just didn't sound. Sorry, say again.
No, just after a little bit of clarity. It was just how did you realise? But yeah, you've explained that.
Yeah, if you're doing something that's just, it all feels just a little bit wrong, and then you suddenly learn something, and then it all feels spot on. It was that. It clicked into place.
Gotcha.
I'd been playing, when was that? That must have been 87, 88, 89, that kind of time. So I would have been playing probably for a couple of years only, seriously.
Mm-hmm.
I think.